we can see the calculation screen where we can give the original image file. This one was original image. It calculates the encryption time, and then we can select the Stegno image that was encrypted file. When I click on it, it calculates all the values like MSE, PSNR, encryption time, decryption time, all the things. Okay, so this project is related to image steganography, in which we hide data into an image. Let me run the code. How to run it? Open Visual Studio Code here in the same directory where the code is. When I open the code, this is the main screen here. There are multiple screens, so all the screens we run from this main file. When I click on it and I run it, it will take some time to run. Here you can see it is trying to load the libraries and whatever. So now it will run and main screen will appear. Okay, so this is the main screen. Title is image steganography. So let's pick up image. We want to hide some data into a picture. So here it is saying select a file. So I am going to select a data file. In this file I have written some data that I want to encode into the picture. Select image file. I want to select some image file like this one, test2. This is an image file. I want to hide. This file contains some data. I want to hide that data in this picture, and I will give my key 1 2 3 4 5, and I will tell the location that where to save. So let's say I say test data. I say save in this folder. Select the folder. Now I will click on hide. It says that encoding successful. Okay, I exit. So data is hidden now in the picture. Now I want to see my data. I will give my key that was 1 2 3 4 5, and I will select the image that is encoded. This image was encoded with the text, so I will select this, and now I will dehide it because I have given the right key, so it should show the data. Whatever is hidden in this picture, it should show below here. Click on. So yeah, this decryption done, and this was the data that I had in that file. So this is how textual data can be hidden in the pictures. So after exiting it, we can see the calculation screen where we can give the original image file. This one was original image. It calculates the encryption time, and then we can select the Stegno image that was encrypted file. When I click on it, it calculates all the values like MSE, PSNR, encryption time, decryption time, all the things. This was the project. Thank you. Bye bye.